As you must know, we have done this, and I'm sorry for being gone for so long. We're now gonna be trying to kill Ronald McDonald, which I'm not gonna try because he shoots a burger, which is like acting like a freaking hell-sinking missile. It's like a hell-sinking missile, just goes literally, it like pierces all your zombies, and then explodes. I'm like, why would you give Ronald McDonald a burger launcher? You gonna give that to Burger King or something? I don't know. It's weird. Give it time, it freezes. Hey guys, so Ronald McDonald, we all know is Ronald McDonald. Maybe it was a dumb idea to do that. Nope, everything's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna slow it down because I can tell I need to delete the maps. Why is it lagging? Okay. Hey. But that's horrible. I mean, it's effective at getting rid of the infection rates, but killing your own people, I don't think it's an intelligence. I should rush it up so it's gonna go dying. Trying to be kid-friendly, guys, and I'm a kid, for God's sakes, but it's really hard for me to... Oh, ooh. Mega oof. Oh. Don't you die on me. One, because I'll kill you if you do. That was a joke. That was just a big oof. Big oof. For survivors. Give me a second. Time to rush this. Time to do a speed run. Just something I did not want to do for how laggy this game can get. And look at this, it's already lagging like a horse. Hey people, you cannot blame me for that occurring. That was just freaking hilarious. Like, mother of God. That's a... That must have been a worse way times. Open you up. Thank you. Running. Can you hurry up, please? Oh my goodness, you suck. Climb up there, kill them, and what the? Oh my goodness! I seriously do not have time for this. I seriously do not. Time? Are you kidding? No, God. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to cut this video and everyone's gonna be sad. You probably are gonna be sad. Oh my goodness, this is drunk insanity. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What the? No, no. No, 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 no. Oh my god. This game is driving me insane. That's all I have to do to make them jump up here. Stop. Do that. And they get stuck in there forever. Make them crawl up there and do whatever else I need to do. No! God damn you, not knowing this. That's what I do. And then we have to do another stupid thing, which is to get one of them out. Then we need to do this. The crawler. I really want to send them out, but there's like a Molotov up there, so I'm not taking my chance. Oh my goodness, we friggin' did it. Is he gonna go in there? No. Okay, let's just... Oh my goodness. Hi. Guys, as you must know, I'm 13, which means I'm gonna have to read. Well, I'm gonna read, so I'm just gonna end it here. So, bye.